Good day everyone, I am Ali Yusuf Abla from the Bachelor of Science Social Work 2B. I am here to make a video narrative of learning reflection. So the objective of this is to encourage the student to reflect on their learning experience and articulate their thoughts, feelings, and insight in a creative and engaging way. But first, the topic I have been chosen was the function of social work, which has three components: the restorative, preventive, and development, which is the restorative aims to rehabilitate the clients whose functioning has been impaired by physical, mental, or social difficulties. The restorative has two concepts, and that was the curative and the rehabilitative. The curative is it eliminates the factors in interaction, process, and the cause of broken down. And the rehabilitative was to reconstruct or organize the pattern of interaction that been broken down and change or build new ones. The second one is the preventive. It goes to the early discovery, control, or elimination of those conditions may impair by psychosocial functioning, as mean prevention. The third one is the development. It refers to the provision of social assistance and services that will lead to the optimum development and fulfillment of the client potential. So let's proceed to the guide question. The first question was, what was your initial understanding of the topic? My initial understanding of the topic of function of social work is that they can be classified into three main categories, which is the restorative, preventive, and development. The restorative function, these involve helping the individual, families, and communities recover from the crisis, trauma, or social problem. Social worker in this function restore or to work to the well-being of functioning of individual or group who are facing difficulties or challenges. The preventive function is this function focuses on identifying and addressing potential issue before they escalate into larger problem. Social worker in this role is aimed to prevent a social issue such as poverty, abuse, or discrimination from occurring or worsening. Like iniiwas na kagad nila yung client nila sa kung anong mangyayari. The third one is the development function. This function involves promoting the growth, empowerment, and capacity building of individual families and communities. Social workers in this function work to enhance the resources, skills, and opportunities available to individuals and group to help them reach their full potential. This function is encompass the broad scope of social work practice, aiming to address social problem, social promote, and social justice. And also, in this functioning is like mai-improve natin yung well-being ng individual sa and communities. So, the second question was, how does the topic connect to your personal experience or belief? So, I believe in restorative, like the importance of restorative practice in social work, as I have seen or positive impact they can have on my individuals and communities. In my personal thinking, I have witnessed how restorative approaches can help amend or helping mend relationship or heal wounds and promote forgiveness and reconciliation. In preventive functioning naman is like I strongly believe in the value of preventive strategies in social work. My personal experience have taught me that addressing this issue proactively can help avoid crisis and mitigate the potential harm. By focusing on prevention, social worker can empower the individuals and communities to build resilience and create a more sustainable, thriving environment. The third one is the development functioning. So in development, is social worker resonates with my belief in the transformative power and growth and progress. In my personal experience, I have seen how supporting individual in their personal and professional development can lead to the lasting positive change, which is tumatagal ito. I believe that investing in people growth and capabilities is a crucial building a more just, an equitable society. So let's proceed to the next question. The next question was, can you relate the topic to any real-world situation or current events? Actually, yes, using the development function. In the realm of education, development social work plays a crucial role in supporting the growth of well-being of the student. In our school, social worker professor provide individual and group intervention to help the student to develop the social emotion, skills and resilience and academic success, which to make the development, and the teacher teach us to become a good social worker student and expand or to develop more to be a social worker. So let's proceed to the next question. The next question was, what were the interesting or surprising things you learned about this topic? So one of the interesting aspect I learned about the function of social work, particularly the restorative, preventive, and development function, is the holistic approach that social worker take in addressing individuals and communities' needs. Social worker not only focus on addressing immediate crisis or challenge, but also work towards the preventing the future issue and promoting the long-term positive change and growth. So the next question was, let's drink water first. The Okay na. So the next question was, the how have this insight impacted your perspective or understanding? This insight have significantly impacted my perspective and understanding of the function of social work, particularly in relation of the restorative, preventive, and developmental aspect, like the restorative function. The restorative function, understanding the function of social work has highlighted the importance of providing support and assistance to individual and communities who have experienced challenge or the trauma. And now I recognize the critical role of social worker play in facilitating the healing, resilience, and empowerment among those in need. This insight has emphasizes the value of empathy, active listening, and tailored intervention in promoting recovery and well-being. So the next question was the letter F. How can you apply what you have learned from this topic in your daily life or future studies? So in principle of social work or function of social work, which is the restorative, preventive, and development function from the social work in their daily lives or and the future studies, in using the restorative function, like we can actively listen to others, seek understanding, and work towards resolving conflicts in personal relationship. In empathy and support naman is like we can offer empathy and support and non-judgmental listening to friends, families, and members in distress. So in the last question is what, like the letter G, is what are the key or takeaways or lesson you have learned from this topic? In the what I have learned from the restorative is like the restorative social work emphasizes the importance of the empathy and compassion in understanding the individual experience and helping them to navigate the challenge. In preventive function naman is like we can understanding the significance of identifying risk factors and addressing them proactively to prevent crisis or challenge from escalating. In development naman is like natutunan natin na like in using the using the development function, we're adopting a strengths based approach to social work, focusing on empowering individuals to recognize and utilize their strength for personal growth and development. So in overall, using the restorative, preventive, and development is maayos natin yung ano yung magiging problem or nagiging problem ng isang client natin. using that function. Alamin natin kung ano yung function ng ating client because we are working with the client, not that the client work with us. So that's all. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig and thank you very much.